Hello everyone, this is Anjali and welcome back to my channel Learning Pillar. And this is a class second of polynomial, class 2 of polynomial. And in first class we have discussed about the type of polynomial on the basis of degree and on the basis of term. After that we have discussed about the relation between the coefficients and the roots for quadratic polynomial as well as cubic polynomial. So in this class we'll discuss the question. So don't waste your time, just look at the question. Suppose I have a question 6x square minus 7 plus 3x, and you can see here I have just changed the order of decreasing order of the degree of variable term, because you can see here the degree of x in first term is 2, here you can see the degree is 0, and here the degree is 1. So if the question is given in this form, what you will do first, you have to arrange the polynomial in decreasing order of degree of x. So you have to write it as 6x square plus 3x minus 7. अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करते हो तो फिर आपके ABC के ऑर्डर में चेंज हो जाएगा और आपका रिलेशन नहीं आएगा सही. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू फाइंड द रिलेशन. क्वेश्चन इज दिस, px is equals to this, and you just have to verify the relation between roots or zeros, you can say zeros, and coefficients. Okay, so to find the root first, you have to write in solution to find the root first. What we are going to do, we are just going to put px is equals to 0 to find, because the roots are not given here, you have to find the relation between the roots as well as the coefficient. So first we must have the roots or zeros. To find the roots, let px is equals to 0. So 6x square plus 3x minus 7, and here the multiplication is 42. We have to find, the question is 6 7x. Let me check the question first. ठीक है, minus 7x, okay, and minus 3. The question is like this, because in this case if you are going to find b square minus 4ac, so you can find the roots here also, that is no problem. You can find them with the formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, but the question is given in different way. चलो इसी को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, चेंज नहीं करते, दूसरा क्वेश्चन फिर एक्सरसाइज से ले लेंगे. ठीक है, सो हियर द सॉल्यूशंस आर what is a, b and c here. A is 6, b is 3 and c is minus 7. So minus b, you have to write minus 3 plus minus b square. B square is 3 square, which is 9, minus 4, a is 6 and c is minus 7, divided by 2 into 6. So it is equals to minus 3 plus minus 9 plus 6 7s are 42, 42 4s are 168, divided by 12. So x is equals to minus 3 plus minus square root of 177, and just because of this we must have some problem. 177 divided by 12. Okay, so first you can take here, you don't need to find the square root of 177 because this is not a complete square. We can find this with division method, but we have to find the relation between the coefficient and the roots. So when we are going to add and multiply them, this square root will be vanished. Okay, so just write alpha is equals to minus 3 plus root 177 by 12 and beta is equals to minus 3 minus 177 divided by 12. अभी इसके बाद आपको क्या करना है? Now we have to find the relation between ABC and alpha beta. We have to just verify the relation. So we have to prove that alpha plus beta must be equals to minus B upon A. So in the second part of the question, alpha plus beta is equals to what? Minus 3 plus square root of 177 divided by 12 plus minus 3 minus here minus root 177 by 12, and you can see here the LCM is same. When you are going to add these two to the numerator, you must have minus 6 and to the denominator you have 12. So alpha plus beta is equals to 1 upon minus 1 upon 2. Now we have to find minus B upon A. So what is A, B and C here? This is A, this is B, and not, this is not B, this is B and this is C. Okay, because the coefficient of X is known as B and the constant term is known as C. So minus B upon A, so minus 3 upon 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So you can see here these two are equal. So first part is done, minus B upon A, because you have to verify that. So it is verified now that alpha plus beta is equals to minus B upon A. Now we have to find the second relation between the roots and the coefficients. And what is that relation? That relation is alpha beta must be equals to C upon A. So what is the value of alpha here? Minus 3 plus square root of 177 by 12. And this is multiplied by minus 3 minus square root of 177 by 12. So what is the rule for the multiplication of these two fractions? You should multiply the denominator by denominator, and to the numerator you can see here this is A. If A is minus 3, this is A plus B and this is A minus B. You can multiply these two in a very simple way by applying the identity A minus B into A plus B is equals to A square minus B square. So I'm just writing the value of alpha beta with the help of that rule. This is minus 3 square. This is not necessary that A or B always be always in positive sign. A can be given of negative sign also. Okay, so here it is minus 3 square plus B square. So B square is square root of 177 and divided by 12 into 12. So that is 144. So here alpha beta is equals to minus 9 square minus 3 square gives you 9 plus 177 divided by 144, and this is equals to 186. 9 and 7 16, carry here 1, 8 divided by 144. Now just simplified this fraction. 4 4s are 16, it is not cancelled by 4, so just divided by with 3. 3 6s are 18, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 24. Now by 3 again we cannot divide, then by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So alpha beta is equals to 31 upon 24, and this is of plus sign, I think, a square minus, sorry, this is wrong, let me do it again, because the rule is a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So it is 9 minus 177 divided by 144. So this is equals to 17 minus 9, 8, 168 minus 168 divided by 12. And you can divide it by 12. 12 ones are 12 fours are 12 12s are 2 6s are 2 7s are. So this is equals to minus 7 upon 6. Now what we have to find? We have to find C upon A. So here we can write C upon A. C upon A is, what is the value of C? That is minus 7 and value of A is 6. So the second part is also done. Alpha beta is equals to C upon A. So the relation between the roots and the coefficients are verified. So now we'll discuss another question of second type. In that type of question, sum of zeros or sum of roots and multiplication can be given, and you have to find the polynomial. The question will be like this: if sum of roots is 4 and product is root 2, then find the polynomial or the quadratic equation. So solution will be like this. The formula is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. And why it is so? Because if alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, then x minus alpha and x minus beta, okay, x minus alpha and x minus beta आपके क्या होंगे? फैक्टर होंगे. दैट मीन्स px कैन बी रिटन एज, क्योंकि जब फैक्टर होता है, सपोज 6 के फैक्टर हैं 2 and 3, तो 6 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 into 3. So as like that, if alpha and beta are the zeros, then x minus alpha and x minus beta are the factors. So px can be written as x minus alpha and x minus beta. And from here you can see that this can be written in the form of this, because we have the sum and the product. We don't have the value of alpha and beta directly. Those are given in the form of sum and product. So when you are going to open this multiplication, what you have here, x into x multiplication gives you x square, and here minus alpha x minus beta x. So minus can be common from those two, and x can also be common, and to the bracket alpha plus beta is left. And when you are going to multiply minus alpha to minus beta, it gives you minus into minus plus alpha beta. So just you have to put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta directly in this form. So here the sum is 4 and the product is square root of 2. So the polynomial is this. Okay, and this is all for today. We'll discuss more question on this topic in our next class. If you like my video, please subscribe and don't forget to share and press the like button. This is all for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you so much.